How to fix Yahoo Mail verification code error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Yahoo Mail verification code error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll actually need to open up your Yahoo's sign-in page, and when you're here, simply type in your Yahoo's username. So type in your mail or your username, whichever you normally use, and then tap on next. So after you tap on next, you'll have to type in your password. So type in your password, and if you have a two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a mail on your mail address. So whichever recovery email that you have kept or whichever mail that you normally use, you'll get the email right here. Now, if you don't get the email and if you don't get the verification code, there can be a lot of reasons for it. First is Yahoo's servers might not be working correctly at this time. So all you can do in that case is that wait for it for a bit more. You can try logging in after 30 minutes or after an hour. But if that does not work, right here you will get an option to actually resend the email. So try to do that. And also on your Gmails or your receiving end, what you'll need to do is you can try refreshing your Gmail or your mail. Simply try to refresh it. You can refresh the entire page. It's up to you. And after you refresh it, you might want to check your spam folder. So head over to your spam folder and check if there is any mail on your spam folder. So if you do have a mail from Yahoo on your spam folder, yeah, that can be your verification code. You can use that and try to log in. So yeah, just do that. And if you don't get it, you can just try to clear your cache from your device. There is a video uploaded about your how to remove cache from your browser, so try to do that and again try to log in. If that does not work, all you can do is wait for it because the servers might not be working. And that's how you fix the issue, guys. Just make sure that you check your spam mail. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.